We have a Honda Odyssey today, an older one, in desperate need of a headlight restoration. As you can see, the passenger side is bad, but the driver's side is worse. You see that? It's bad, but the driver's side is much worse. We'll come up to the driver's side now. You see that? It's a lot worse on the driver's side. But we made it look like new. Wait till you see this. How do you like that? They look like brand new lights. Broward Headlight Restoration. We service South Florida. We go to Broward County, Miami-Dade County, and Palm Beach County. Call or text us today. We're mobile. We come to you. 754-302-0769.